After the installation finish, we open the machine. Let's choose English. Okay, now that's English. This is closed, and we open it first. This is for the sealing, for the heat seal. The temperature is set. We will wait the temperature arrive the value we set. We just need to wait. This is for the sealing, heat seal. And here is the button switch for the dust cleaning device and the water filter. After we open it, they will working. Now let's turn it off. Then we need to press this button so to the orange bag giving. Every time we open the machine, we need to press this button, and we will open the function. 可以带也要开吧？
可以带，对，还有真空。
真空是哪里？哦，对。还有吗？应该没了吧？
没有了。
OK， 行。Then we can adjust the filling weight. Here, the screw pulse now is 125 for 450 grams. But what we test is different powder, so you may need to do the minor adjustment. For example, we can adjust it to 150, 120. We can adjust it to 120 or less or more to check if we can reach the target weight, 450 grams. Okay. Then we need to wait till the temperature arrive. Now we can run the bag, but no seal, no sealing. Just run the bag to see if bag running is okay. 对，走带。对，不下掉，走带。OK。